Never did I think that I would be detoxing my dog. But there are studies that show that dogs have microplastics and that when they are exposed to certain chemicals, if they have higher levels, they can develop cancers and things like that. And as my firstborn child, my dog is very important to me. So that was really big as well. And then just everyday items that you are touching, that you're using, that you don't even think about. When I put something in saran wrap, or when I use a Ziploc baggie, or the container that my dishwasher detergent comes in. So I would say like the sneaky little offenders that you don't really think about. Those were a big eye opener for me.